welcome or welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some friend mail that I received along with some friend mail I'm going to send back. But before I share with you what's in my box, I want to introduce Pamilya Adventures.
Hey guys, it's Pamilya Adventures!
They are a fun family channel that does a bunch of fun activities together. They travel and they try foods from all over the place. Their family was so generous enough to send my family and I their t-shirts from their websites that they created to teach their daughters on how to run a small business. And I think that is genius. So this is the shirt that they sent me. Mine is a black tee with the orange Pamilya. And then they sent for my husband, it's a black tee with Pamilya in a dark gray, which I really like this style. And then for the kids, they got them white tees with these two designs. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Along with all the t-shirts, they threw in their stickers. Please make sure to go and check out their channel along with their website. I will have all their information in the description box below. And make sure you stick to the end of the video because I am also going to share with you a discount code that you can use to purchase your very own shirt. In return to say thank you for sending us shirts, I have a box filled with some Hawaii goodies that I'm gonna send their way. So I got them a card which is taped to the first goodie, which is some pineapple gummies. This is another type of pineapple. It's pineapple gummy rings. And then I'm throwing in some lihing moi powder. This seasoning is so yummy on fruits, candies, and even some drinks. And I know they like musubis because when they came to visit last time, they went to a musubi store, and I'm ashamed to say I forgot the name of it, but I usually make my own musubis, and this is the musubi maker that I like to use. It is a double musubi maker, so you roll everything up and then you cut it in half and you have yourself two musubis. So I think they will really enjoy this. I'm also giving them some samurai furikake popcorn. If you know, you know. And then I also have some haupia and macadamia nut banana pancake mix. The last two items I'm gonna throw in there are Disney themed because I know they love Disney just like I do. So I have this silicone Mickey Mouse that they can bake cakes in. And then I also have a Mickey Mouse cookie cutter. Once again, thank you so much Pamilya Ohana for sending us shirts. I hope you guys enjoy all the goodies coming your way. Support them by visiting Pamilya-Apparel.com and use code SallyFriends for 25% off. Then go and head over to their channel because I think they got their package.